Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming system readiness. This matters because emulators rely on modern APIs. First, verify 64-bit Windows and a GPU that supports DirectX 12 or Vulkan. Once done, install updated GPU drivers and Visual C++ runtimes so the emulator can run libraries it needs. Next, pick an emulator, Xenia for compatibility, or CXBX Reloaded for a friendlier UI, and download the official build. Make sure to unzip into a simple folder path. Long paths can break loading. You now prepare games and emulator settings to get playable results. First, dump only legally owned disks to ISO or use properly exported folders. Accurate headers and 1.1 images prevent load failures. Then, move game files into the emulator's game directory, keeping paths short to avoid file path limits. After that, open Settings. Select Vulkan or DirectX backend depending on GPU, enable shader cache for smoother play. Set resolution and controller mapping. Tweak frame limiter and audio offsets if necessary before launching. You're at the final stretch. Launch the game and watch the emulator log for errors so you can act fast. If performance is poor, lower resolution, enable VSync or switch backend between Vulkan and DirectX to find the best match for your GPU. Once gameplay is stable, generate a shader cache for smoother future runs. If problems persist, clear the shader cache and test a newer or older emulator build. This often resolves crashes. Remember, use only legally obtained game images to stay compliant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.